Hello. I read today that there are more neural pathways in our brain than there are roads on Earth. The possibilities are unlimited, but how can we access that unlimited potential? So what I want to say is on the 19th of July, I'm going to be holding a one-day ceremony workshop here in South Devon near Buckfastleigh, and we're going to open up a couple of teachings, earth wisdom teachings. One is about our relationship with creation, with the sun and stars, the earth, planets, plants, animals, because creation didn't just happen once a long time ago. We're right in the middle of it right now, and it is in the middle of us. So this teaching shows us our relationship with creation and the power of creation that flows through us. And the second teaching we're going to open up is called the Four Attentions. It's a way of focusing our attention, our awareness, and it's really a key that opens up the power of our consciousness, of this unlimited potential of our spirit to shape the future and to create a different future for ourselves and for all our children, for the whole of the planet, with our consciousness. So this is tremendous. These two tools we can work with for the rest of our lives and learn something from them. But this one-day ceremony is also a taster for a deeper training that I'm going to be offering in the autumn. So I wanted to let you know about that, and also say you are more than welcome to come and get in touch with me if this work speaks to you. So thank you for watching.